The pain of the corporate life was that I was really exposed to so many people I could not at all relate.
I was actually choosing to deny aspects of myself.
I learned so much about myself. I learned so much about others.
I'm dealing with a lot of managers whom I would like to help develop the next level of leaders.
You don't learn these things by just simply reading a book or following a protocol, 1 + 1 = 2. It's so much more.
I think one of the big benefits of this Newfield program that ultimately you should expand your ability to connect with anybody.
I really appreciate this kind of learning where I get to embody it inside myself first, have a deep understanding of it with myself first, and then move on to learning how I then can help others to experience this as well.
In this program they cover from body posture to the way you speak and how you perceive yourself, how you perceive others, and by watching others going through the learning process as well, it opens up a new world for you, which I'm super grateful for.
We have to start looking at the human experience as the foundation, as the source of healing, connection, prosperity of a totally different kind in the world.